The system check. We recommend you check your system because it's possible that the DVR is having issues and you will never know. You'll be able to see the cameras if the second part of the DVR, the hard drive, is not functioning. Uh, and we hate for it to come to a point where you need some footage and then find out that something is going on with the DVR. So we recommend you do the system check once a week or at minimum once a month. We don't have a maintenance fee or anything with the DVRs. Um, so this is something you can do to make sure that when the time comes and you need the footage, that is there. Like everything else on the DVR, we're just going to move the mouse around and we're going to activate it, and we're going to right click. And if you power down your DVR since the last time you looked at a menu, you'll need to re-input your password. And we're just going to go to the main menu. Alright. So in the main menu screen, we're going to go to the system. In the main menu screen, we're going to go to advanced. And we're just going to look at this storage. Now this shows you the DVR, how big how much space you have, how big the hard drive is on the DVR is using, and at this point it's normal. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for normal. That just says everything is up and running. If it's not up and running, you will either not see a hard drive here. If it's not working properly, you won't see a hard drive at all, or you'll see error. And if you see either one of them, you can just simply give us a call at 706-221-8324, and we'll set up a time to come out and get you back up and running fully. The second thing we want you to do is we're going to exit out that menu and we're going to right click again, and we're just going to go to playback. And what we're looking for is on the right side of that counter, just kind of click in the days and make sure that it's full green bars. Full green bars mean that it's been recorded. There's no breaks in recording. If you have power outages or say the hard drive is failing, then it'll be broke up, or there'll be nothing there. If you open up this window and there's no highlighted times, that means the system has not been recording. And like on our end, when we come out, we can always just go back and see when the farthest date, that you have recordings. And we have a couple different type clients. Some clients use their DVR more than others, and some don't use it at all. They're just kind of watching the screens. Like at our office, we just kind of watch the screens until something happens. So if we do them two things on a frequent basis, we'll be able to catch issues before we need them. And once again, we recommend that you do it once a week, but at minimum once a month.